It's maintenance day. I'm going to get my hair done, and then I'll do pedicure and manicure today. 10:30 is my appointment, and I think it's about 15-minute drive to get there. I'm not going to stay long at the shop, just pick what I need and dash out. I got iced coffee. Yeah. And she says she will be back in 5 minutes. I like the fact that I am not picking attachments. That is one thing I don't like about making my hair, because what do you mean I have to be picking attachments? Like, I just want to come here, relax, press my phone, answer phone calls and all of that, I could also, do some work. But if I'm picking attachment, that means I won't be able to do that. So I told her when I came here, like, I am not picking attachment, please, I hope you have a stand. And she said, oh yeah. So she's using this. This is what she's using. That's pretty. Thank you. It's hot water time. Hot water. We are going to be dipping this in hot water. This is the part I don't like. I'm telling you. Yeah, I'll actually leave it for now like this. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. No, the problem. We are done. Thank you guys so much. So we are done, and I'm now going to my nail appointment. Although I do not have an appointment for nail, it's a walk-in salon, so I'll just go in there. Hopefully they don't have too many people, so I can get done on time. Pedicure and manicure.
Pedicure, manicure?
Yes.
Yeah, the last step.
Pardon?
The last step.
Oh, okay.
Ông ơi, ông tắm nước lạnh. Ông tắm nước lạnh, ông gung luôn ông ơi, tôi tắm tôi gung ông ơi. Nó lạnh nhắc ông ơi, cái bữa đó.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's okay. Is that the only one you have? Do you have another one?
So you want the last pedicure 80?
Sorry?
So you want you to pack the last pedicure 80? Try.
Yeah. I think the mango is so. Do you want me to put my leg in?
myself?
Yes, I
Do you
will.
want me to do it here or you
Anyone you want.
Okay, so I have to. Nó quay mình tìm con dấu đen không? Không biết bởi thế mình đâu có.
You want today?
What?
What shape?
That would be good.
We pin it down for the.
I thought it was going to be too hot.
Mẹ lấy đồ.
So much, thank you. Dawn, let's go.
Cái tay.
Ready, we're done. So this is the second day. I couldn't get to do my waxing yesterday because time was already gone. I have never professionally had any waxing done, so I don't know how painful this is going to be. So let's go. My appointment is for 12 o'clock and it's currently 11:48. I'm just hoping I won't have to wait because I have other personal things to do today. Let's go. I'm already at the shopping center, so it's the same place as where I got my nails done. So they do waxing as well. So that's where I'm going. Hello, how are you? Good. Just here for my waxing appointment. Waxing.
Okay, take a picture first.
It's not bad.
Okay.
I thought I was going to scream. It's not that painful. I actually thought it was going to be painful. I thought I was going to scream like that.
Yeah, some customers scream and cry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like they don't realize they crying, but
Oh. Yeah. I guess it probably depends on, on pain tolerance for people. I actually thought it was going to be very painful. We are done with our waxing appointment. I actually thought it was going to be painful, but I honestly didn't feel any pain. I'll see you in the next maintenance vlog for next month. Thank you.